See,
show.
have show that tonight. We watching there.
RJ can't fit in there.
Have a pirate show. There is Treasure Island. We made it here. Yahoo! Okay, here we go. RJ.
There it is, Fremont Street.
Here's the Fremont Street. Monisha and Fremont Street. Okay, bus. Ito siya, Fremont Street. Dagay tao. See that? Fremont Street there. Mao na siya nga building Stratosphere. Big tower. Stratosphere. Las Vegas Boulevard. Look at that. What they call RJ?
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Bombero. See the bus. Oh, na siyang bus. Dire, double. Mahangin sa labas. Oh, na siya bagong building. Nawa na. I not see that before building, hali. Have that already.
New building.
Yeah,
It's
look
empty.
like a new.
Nobody there.
Yeah,
And it's apartment buildings.
there is. Nagkangkig mga building diri, hotel, casino. Kung gusto mong magsugal. Diri. Other traffic light.
It's 106 in Vegas.
106. But in Mesquite, so hot there.
It's 107.
109.
Oh, 109.
Yep. When we there in the gas station. Here we go. A gas king building there. Nakita. Huwag Stratosphere. We've been there in
Jesus. Oh, this now.
honeymoon. Okay, motel. Gateway. Mao ni siyang hitsura if daytime. Kung naapang adlaw, mao ni siya, pero kung gabi nindot kay daghag mga lights.
It is. Little white chapel.
Oh, there, we get married there.
Oh, you missed it.
I miss it. I cannot see in the camera. And then we've been in after get married there in Stratosphere. So scary, so high.
We're up there.
Yep, after the married.
Go straight there. We went back to the hotel.
Look that. Have a red. We do that. It go down, then go up. It's so scary that there.
Want to do that today?
No. I'm scared that you just watching. The more you ride there. People jumping there in the rope. Lokso dia sa Stratosphere. So scary. Mao na siya. Nindot if daytime, if adlaw kay may mga lights. Naara ang building sa Stratosphere. Ana siya.
That's right there.
Yep. Tato. May tato.
Oh, it should be up here somewhere.
Ano siya nag-start diri ang
Oh, here's the biggest gift shop in
big
the world.
building. Yep.
Largest gift shop
Ano siya?
in the world.
See. Tanawa. World largest gift shop. Eating fruits na. Let me see. What you eat? The red one? What's that? Zip.
Okay, look for the shop inside.
Yeah, next to Maraj yan, eh? That we've been before. Street this honey we see.
That building's still missing windows.
Where? Oh, not yet done.
Done. They've been working on it for 12 years.
Yeah, maybe so. Heard that was all.
There's a lot of built up
tall.
over there now too. It looks like.
Yeah, there is. Have the sunset. Sunset.
They should build the tallest building in the world here.
Tourist
Bigger than UAE, Dubai.
to Dubai.
They build it right
The
there.
taller building.
By far, just blow it away. Farthest ever.
Simple.
Circus,
There
circus.
is. Indot kayo. That yung mga landscape na yung mga palm tree.
Another building going up. Wow.
Oh,
Look at the size of that thing.
That's wow, so big, huh?
Circus. That's next to Circus Circus.
What's that name? I cannot see.
Circus Circus.
Oh, circus.
On the white building.
I cannot read that.
It's white on white.
Yeah.
But I guess when I light it up, you see it.
I not see that before.
Oh, yeah, a long time.
Here's the whole bag.
Pustakan.
Whole bag.
Got in the wrong lane. Damn it.
Here.
There is. Oh,
Boy, this strip is just
Bumpy.
crumbling.
here, start now. The light. Look at the light. Nice at night time. McDonald there. Have new building.
Yeah, so all the people start walking. Been there forever. They're finally building in there. I don't know if
Yeah.
they say what hotel. There it is. Ah, the Philippine one. Look,
Oh, the
Resorts World, Las Vegas.
Resorts World.
It says Philippine right over there.
Really? Wow.
The Philippine building.
Look at that. It's so big, huh? Philippines. Oh, so tall
Resorts
building.
World is all like Asia, as Singapore.
So big that, huh?
Malaysia.
Tall.
All
Yeah.
those countries have the Resorts World now.
London.
Yep. Now Vegas is gonna have one too.
London. You're right, RJ. area here too.
Very big.
Yeah, Bahamas.
Probably put a mall in there too.
Yeah, maybe not.
Treasure Island.
President Donald Trump. There's
Trump's
the
gold building. Look
gold building. That's the building of a hotel of President Donald Trump.
at it's all gold. There,
Gold.
look at Treasure Island.
Look at this. See the building.
Treasure Island.
Did you get Treasure Island?
Yeah, there is Treasure Island. We stay one night there, RJ. There is.
Then we move to another one.
And we go to the beach.
And
3
we go
nights.
to the
And we go to
California.
Pasadena for 2 nights.
Yep. Tomorrow, RJ, we go to California.
Treasure Island, we are coming for
Yep,
you.
there in the middle, the center of Las Vegas Strip. What do you call it?
What?
Las
Oh.
Vegas Strip.
Whatever you want to call it. Strip.
The strip. Las Vegas Strip. I cannot
That's it.
say. Passion show. That's a passion show. There is Treasure Island. We're tired now.
There's a plaza.
Where? Oh, Palazzo. We've been there.
It's all
We
connected.
just walk in
Well, which one did we stay in? I don't remember. The Venetian?
Venetian.
They're all connected.
This is the 5-star hotel.
The plaza is connected to the Venetian. Yeah, there's a Venetian right in front of us.
Yep, they're big. They're in the honeymoon. When we got married.
I wonder if that's the road I should have turned on.
What?
For the Treasure Island.
I don't know.
Dick's Sporting Goods, Macy's. It's a mall.
Yep, maybe that.
It looks like it is. I missed it.
This, there he is. We miss Daddy.
We'll go to the next one. Oh no, there's the entrance up there.
There he is. Palazzo.
Boat is.
Yeah, I told you.
Damn,
See,
show.
I've showed that tonight. You
RJ
watching
can't-
there.
RJ can't fit now.
Have a pirate show. Have many people watch. And there is Treasure Island. And there is, what's that
Science
hotel?
Cove. We're gonna find out where the parking is.
Mm-mm. And there he is.
Self-parking strip.
There's self-parking. Treasure Island. Look at this here.
Where is it?
I not know, maybe. I not know. Maybe here.
That way?
I not know.
Let's look for Treasure Island.
Yeah.
Treasure Island Self Park. To the arrow to the right. It's gonna be a long walk in. There's the parking. Look.
Where's the parking
Right
there?
in front of us.
Oh my goodness. That building?
Yeah, it's
Wow.
over there too. Parking decks.
Was so big that
Yeah.
parking lot there. Look like a building too, but parking lot.
We'll probably have to get the ticket validated.
There is Treasure Island. We made it here. Yahoo! RJ. Exit. There is entrance and exit.
Treasure Island.
There is a parking lot here. Need ako kayong parking lot.
Guest parking only. Unauthorized vehicles will be towed at owner's expense.
Wow, so long to walk. Hotel so far away. Kubump, kubump.
Take a ticket there?
I don't know. Maybe just park.
It's an honor system?
Second floor. Wow, look like it's full.
Yep. Take the camera bag and the computer bag.
Yeah.
The suitcases.
Well, we're gonna come back with.
You bring yours, RJ.
Yeah, you can
Small.
bring. We're gonna carry in light.
Yeah.
Handicap, I knew it.
Okay, we're looking for a park
Spot.
spot. Okay. Yeah, backpack and suitcase. Okay, wait, RJ.
I'll get my wallet.
Ready to the hotel.
The bag on the floor.
Go give me, RJ.
Go.
Thank you. There you go. RJ is ready.